This is my WordPress AI tool getting visitors right now. But this hero section, it's not converting. In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to rebuild this entire hero section using Claude AI. No page builder, no expensive plugins, and you're going to watch me do it live. Let's go. Okay, so here's what we're starting with. This is WP Error Expert, my AI tool that fixes WordPress errors. But look at this hero section. It's fine, but it's not grabbing attention. There's no clear call to action. The design is bland, and honestly, I built this in 20 minutes just to ship something. So today, we're rebuilding this with Claude AI, and I'm going to show you the exact prompt I use, the code Claude generates, and how to add it to WordPress using the Code Snippets plugin. No editing, no cuts, just the real process. Here's what we're building. Clean headline, clear subheadline, one big call to action button, trust indicators, and a modern gradient background. This takes what I do, fix WordPress errors with AI, and makes it crystal clear in 3 seconds. The best part? This entire thing is just one shortcode. Drop it anywhere on your site. All right, let's build it. First, I'm going to Claude AI. You can use the free version for this. And here's my prompt. I'm telling Claude exactly what I want. Create a complete WordPress code snippet. Works with the Code Snippets plugin. Includes a hero section with headline, subheadline, CTA button, and trust line. Self-contained with CSS. Prefix everything with WP Error Hero to avoid conflicts. Don't worry about memorizing this prompt. I'll give you the prompt I used. But for now, stay focused on the concept. Let's hit enter. Now Claude is going to ask me clarifying questions before it generates the code. This is important. It makes sure the code actually works for my specific use case. See, it's asking about CTA button link, color scheme, button style, right side visual, and so on. I am not taking up your time to answer one by one, but you should answer the questions to get better output from the code. Perfect. Now, let's generate the code. There's our code. Look at this. It's giving us PHP for the shortcode, inline CSS for styling, and even the HTML structure. I'm not going to read through every line. Copy this entire thing. Now we're going to WordPress. In my WordPress admin, I'm going to Code Snippets, Add Snippets. Click Add your custom code. PHP snippet. If you don't have Code Snippets installed, just go to Plugins, Add New, search Code Snippets, install it. It's free and has 1 million plus active installs. Okay, now paste the code, and I'll name this Hero Section WP Error Expert so I remember what it is. Make sure it's set to Run Snippet everywhere. Activate and save. Now I just copy shortcode. Go to my tool page and edit it. Here I have my page shortcode. Just put it down and add the shortcode, WP Error Hero within square brackets. Update the page, and let's see it live. And there it is. Look at that. We've got bold headline that immediately tells you what this does. Clear subheadline explaining the solution. Big, obvious CTA button. Trust indicator showing social proof. Modern gradient background that makes it feel like a real AI product. I just want to show you something. Our button still doesn't navigate to the tool section when clicked, so let's fix it. My tool section is also in another code snippet, so let's go there and add an ID to the tool section. I'll add it as WP Error Expert within quotation marks and click Update. Next, navigate to our Hero section and add the ID to the button. Click Update. Let's recheck the button and look at that. It navigates to our tool, but it's not a smooth scroll. So just go to Claude and ask it to add smooth scroll to the button. That's all. Claude will generate the code. Let's copy and paste it into the code snippet. Replace the ID, Update. Let's check the web page. Look at that. It's smooth. Also, I have to make some more changes to the Hero section. I'll do it later. Okay, button works, links to the tool. And it's fully responsive. Looks great on mobile too. From 0 to done in about 7 minutes. No Elementor, no page builder subscription, just Claude AI and the Code Snippets plugin. So that's how you build a professional hero section with AI in minutes, not hours. And this is just the hero section. In the next video, I'm building the features section the same way. If you want that prompt I used, I'll drop the link in the description below. And if you want to see me build the complete landing page with AI, hit subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.